Hey, I got a few new Inside Track Club memberships deals for you this morning. These go through April 2nd. So there are some fresh ones, maybe some repeats, I'm not sure. I tried to make sure that I got new ones, but of course we are fallible. How about the 4-ton professional hydraulic body repair kit? It's $80 off, down to $189.99. These things are very handy if you're into that body repair work. So if you don't have one, might be time to get one. Daytona brand. Sorry. How about the 14-foot reach Type 1 portable telescoping ladder? It's 20 bucks off, $129.99. Great for emergency situations and just to have handy around the house. This is a Franklin brand, and it's a 250-pound rating. Just to mention it, these deals are for Inside Track Club members only. Of course, if you're watching this, it only costs $29.99. And if you can see from these deals, you can save that in one purchase. Plus, if you add the free gifts, at least monthly, you'll more than pay for that membership 10 times over in a year's time. My name's Daryl, by the way, 63 and counting, tools and do-it-yourself. Join me if you will. Sorry. Next, we have a 500-pound capacity steel cargo carrier. This is 25% off. These are very handy to have on the back of your vehicle if you don't want to pull a trailer, but you just got a couple of coolers, you're going to a picnic or a beach, or, there's a variety of uses. You can put a mini bike back there. You can put different things back there. $44.99. Next, we have a steel floor jack crossbeam. This is the crossbeam that goes across your jack to disperse the weight. These things are very useful. It's not picking up in one point on your car or your lawnmower or whatever you happen to be lifting. They have this on sale for $59.99 with your Inside Track Club membership. Next, we have a Central Forge 55-pound rugged cast iron anvil. And at 55 pounds, trust me, it would be rugged. This is not going to move off your bench once you bolt it down. It's super solid. These come in handy and they're invaluable when you actually need one in your workshop. So it's $49.99, down from the regular $64.99, made by Central Forge. Next, we have a Central Machinery grinder stand. If you don't have a grinder stand and you have a grinder, you can just kind of have it sitting around on your workbench. This gives you an inexpensive chance to get it off your workbench and sitting on its own. It's pretty sturdy because the legs are spread out the way they are. $39.99, down from $49.99. You need a heavy-duty coupler lock to keep somebody from stealing your trailer. Somebody said to me, because I own one of these, hey, well, somebody can just take a pry bar and just break that. Well, maybe so, but they have to take the effort and they have to come with one. So for parking at a rest stop or a Lowe's when you're getting fuel or something of that nature, or quick trips, people steal these things out of convenience. They're not going to sit there and make a lot of noise. For $19.99, it's some peace of mind, so it's a good purchase. Next, we have a drill vise. If you ever try to use your stand drill, your part wants to move all over the place, you're trying to hold it with your hand, it's really dangerous. Get one of these things, put it on your bench, and secure it down either with clamps or with screws. It's invaluable when you're trying to use a drill press. $14.99, 25% off. How about a cutoff tool? Of course, a lot of us use our angle grinders with a cutoff wheel, but this one specifically for this purpose, it's 3 inches in diameter, so it's smaller, it's easier to handle, and it's more like a Dremel tool. It's 14% off, down to $29.99. It's Bauer, it's a plug-in, it's a very handy little tool. Need a pin nailer? Well, you can't hardly beat $19.99. This one happens to be pneumatic. It's made by Banks and it runs the 23 gauge pins. Next, we have a 1,500 pound capacity, 69-inch trifold aluminum loading ramp. They've sold many of these. They do a great job. You don't easily come off of them. They are ribbed so that they help catch the tire going up. 60 bucks off, down to $129.99. Solid deal. How about a bending brake? If you do any kind of siding and or trim work around your house, these would come in handy on occasion. It's down to $59.99. It's 30 inches wide. Spade bits, 10-piece, $9.98. These are the Hercules brand, so they're decent quality. I don't think you'd want this particular item to use every day, but for us do-it-yourselfers, this is a very handy tool. How about a 4.5-inch double row segmented diamond cup wheel? All that to say, these things are tough. Excuse me. I just used one to get mastic off of plywood. I tried scraping, I tried spider bits, I tried the actual demo hammer. Nothing worked except this. I used this in conjunction with the dust shroud. Worked wonders, got that mastic right up. It's a 4.5-inch and it's $39.99 down from $49.99. Chisels, these are inexpensive, but they're still useful. If you need something pretty quick to, work on your door latch or something, and hey, it beats not having any. $4.98, why wouldn't you have a set? How about a dirt bike stand? You need to work on your dirt bike, your mini bike, you need it up off the ground just a little bit so you can work on it a little easier. Can't hardly beat $27.99. It's 26% off. It'll hold up to 1,000 pounds. How about a wheel chock for your motorcycle? It's 40% off, Pittsburgh, $29.99. Invaluable when it's needed. Corner detail sander, this one happens to be corded. It's the inexpensive Warrior brand, but for occasional DIY jobs, they work fine. I've got a couple of the Warrior tools. I've never had a problem with them. $14.99, you can't hardly beat that, 25% off. How about double-sided floor rack? I can't even say that. 74-bin mobile double-sided floor rack. This one actually is portable, so it's got wheels. I have a couple that mount to your wall, and I've had many times where I would love to have something that would roll to me. This is two-sided, so everything you see on the front there is also on the back. $119.99 is a solid deal. It's $30 off with your Inside Track Club membership. How about a spray can holder, screwdriver holder? You could put other things in there too. These are matching colors to your US General toolboxes. $9.96, they're 33% off. Magnetic, no bolting, ready to go. Handy little addition to your toolbox. How about a 52-inch and 100-inch clamp guide and cutting edge guide? $32.99, 17% off, made by Quinn. Lifetime warranty. How about a bimetal hole saw set? So these will cut into metal. This is the Hercules brand. They've got them 22% off. It's got a nice little plastic carrying case so they're not just laying around loose in your toolbox. 22% off, $44.99. Solid deal. Who can't have enough dead blow hammers? You need one in your shop, you need one in your basement, you need one in your shed out back. Occasionally you gotta knock down a peg or put something in the garden, and just a dead blow hammer just can't hardly be beat. And at $7.96, why not? You need one in your arsenal. How about a stud welder? It's a dent repair kit. So if you're into the body work, doing your own dent repair, it's a solid deal. It's $74.99. This is corded, of course. How about a small electronic digital safe? $29.99, made by Union. Here's a 2.2 amp audible quarter sheet sander. It's made by Bauer, so it's upscaled. They've got it knocked 40% off for Inside Track Club members. $14.99. You just can't hardly beat that. Even though it's corded, this thing will last. And of course, they'll stand behind it. How about a 1,800-pound capacity motorcycle stand wheel chock? This one's $54.99. It's 21% off, made by Pittsburgh. How about a triple ball trailer hitch mount with hook? I know we've all had this situation where we have to pull it out. Oh, geez, that's the wrong size ball. Or, man, I wish I had something to hook this strap to besides my safety connections. Well, here you go, $34.99. It's got 3 different size balls on it and a hook. It's down from $49.99, made by Hallmaster. Great reviews, solid purchase. Do you need a new tool belt? They've got the Voyager 18 pocket tool belt, down from $24.99, 28% off to $17.99. These are very happy when you're away from your toolbox, you're inside the house, you're doing some light carpentry or plumbing, so that you just have your tools right there on your side, because sometimes you're in the floor. You don't want to get up and down getting tools. It's getting good reviews. Trailer dolly. Who hadn't just wanted to move their trailer around the yard? And most of us that didn't have one of these, they'll grab the trailer and try to move it. And sometimes if you're on an incline, well, the trailer doesn't cooperate. It doesn't want to back in. It doesn't want to pull forward. It wants to drag you. For $49.99, why not? It's a solid deal. It's got the ball on it. It's 23% off, made by Hallmaster. How about a lightweight shovel? And I do say lightweight because these are handy around the garden, but you wouldn't want to do a bunch of hard digging with it because the metal is a little thinner. But for $9.98, they're good to have around, and you can just leave them in specific spots. How about a 750 watt continuous modified sine wave power inverter? These are invaluable if you're having to use a generator and run your computer or something, or a TV, sensitive electronics speaker system. You can hook this to the generator and then plug in here, and you know that your power output's going to be clean and not damage your sensitive electronics. $59.99, solid deal, down from $69.99. Here's a 10 foot by 10 foot portable shed. You just need something out in the yard temporary. $129.99 to get you done. You can go in there and do a little painting. Here's a Quinn 4-piece plier set. Quinn's a decent brand. It's right under the icon. I've got a few of their tools, no issues. They are lifetime warranted. So $19.99 for 4 pieces. For the Inside Track Club members. D-ring anchors. I like to have these on the floor of my trailer, and I also like to have a couple of them hanging in my shop where I can hang things from them. At $1.49 a piece for a 2-pack, come on, get you 3 or 4 packs. They do come in handy, just take my word for it. They're made by Hallmaster. If you don't have a serpentine belt toolkit, now's the time to get one. This is the Icon brand, so the Cadillac of Harbor Freight. It's 28% off, down to $49.99. If you've ever tried to change one of these belts without one of these tools, you'll say, man, I wish I'd have bought that. So go on and drop that $49.99. I think you'll be happy. And if you're not an Inside Track Club member, hey, you saved 20 bucks. You almost paid for the membership in one purchase. How about some synthetic winch rope? You need to change your winch rope out. This one's 80 foot. It's got a 12,000 pound capacity. It's $109.99, down from $129.99. Storage system by Bauer. This is a modular organizer for all your smaller parts. $29.99, it's 25% off. How about an 800-pound capacity centerfold steel single ramp? This is only one, so you may want one just for a mini bike or maybe a light motorcycle, whatever, to load on a trailer. $69.99, down from $84.99. Need a roof mount on top of your rails on your car or truck? $79.99. It's got a 150-pound capacity. Snatch blocks. You definitely need these if you do any winching out in the field. Got them down the Badland brand to $22.99 from $29.99. Here's a dual head air chuck inflator with dial gauge. Those are handy to have on your small compressors around the shop. It's Merlin brand, $9.98, 33% off. If you use a hoist and you raise things way up, these things are invaluable. Here's a 2-ton capacity under hoist safety stand, so you don't get something falling on you and hurting you. $74.99, good deal. Here's another shovel, also $9.98. Once again, I wouldn't do a lot of heavy, hard surface digging, but for softer dirt or around the garden, $9.98. It's great to have a little shovel around. Need a manual tire changer? $49.99. Can't hardly beat that if you like to do some small repair jobs in your garage and you just want to do a tire change and you don't want to run to the Walmart or the tire shop, maybe it's a weekend. $49.99. It's a solid addition to your shop. Reciprocating saw blades. They got these on sale. This is the Warrior brand. They're $9.98 from $14.99. They're great for general purpose, getting really good reviews. Magnetic socket holders, $9.96. This is for the 1/4-inch drive, down from $16.99. How about a metal detector? I don't own one, but I'm kind of curious, so I might check this out. It's $40 off, down to $99.99. Need a 12-inch variable speed drill press? They got this one, $50 off. It's the Bauer brand, $249.99, solid unit. Need some tarps? 20% off, $11.99. How about a 5-lug rim for your trailer? They've got it on sale to $69.99, and this is going to have the tire on it. Need a Type 2 225-pound ladder? Franklin has the 6-foot down to $69.99 with your Harbor Freight Inside Track Club membership. Need some additional light to work outside at night. Hey, this is Braun's 18,000 lumen, and they're detachable so that you could use them independently. $89.99, $35 off with your Inside Track Club membership through April 2nd. That's a solid deal. You can see the reviews, it's a full 5 stars. Need a heavy-duty hammer? Here's a 35-pound, what I call jackhammer. They call it a brake hammer. It's $100 off. $100 off, $299.99. If you need to do some patio clearing or some concrete clearing, some walk changes, can't hardly beat the price. How about a 750 peak amp car battery jump starter and power pack? So you can use it in an emergency. It's got a few watts in it you could use to run some lights. $42.99, down from $59.99. Here's another mower lift. This one's a 750-pound capacity. It is the Fisher brand, very good brand. It's got nearly a complete 5-star rating out of 1,700 views. It's down $50 to $229.99. This is more for you guys that do a lot of lawnmower work. Parts washer, they got $20 off of it, $119.99. Good place to wash stuff out. You don't have it in your wife's sink and get in trouble. Ask me how I know. How about the gold edition plated ratchets from Icon? Here's a 3/8. They're knocking 20% off, down to $47.99. There's the 1/4-inch. They're knocking 24% off. It's down to $37.99. And don't forget, Inside Track Club, they have alkaline batteries and Thunderbolt regular batteries, 20% off. That's also until April 2nd. This was in store only, of course. But if you need some batteries, hey, very inexpensive. Stock up. All right, I believe that's it for this morning. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. I do appreciate every view and every comment. So give me a comment, give me a like, please subscribe. Trying to offer you some quality content. And until the next video, y'all take care.